Wow!
Ayan everyone, so before we start, bigyan muna natin si Kuya ng pang-date. Charot lang. Ayan everyone, so narito na po kami ngayon sa dating area.
Yes!
And pull po kasi yun Kuya, hindi push.
Naging panalangin mo na rin ba to? Yung, Lord, nasa na po yung akin? Dear, singleness does not equate to loneliness. Alam mo ba that the greatest need of a man is not a woman, but God, and vice versa? In our current generation, kapag wala kang jowa, ibig sabihin nun malungkot ka. But that's not true. Singleness is not a punishment, but a preparation for you. It is your pruning and refining season. Gamitin mo yung season na yan para magpahulma, magpaturo, at magpakinang pa. Hindi pa unahan ng season na ito ha. Hindi rin competition na kung sino ang huling magkaroon ay talo. While waiting, honor God in your season. Hindi ka naubusan at nakalimutan. Ang totoo, iniingatan ka. Singleness is a blessing. Sabi nga nila, mas mabuti nang wala kesa naman mali. Dear singles, you are not less. Darating din ang pag-ibig na hindi mo na kailangang tanungin kung kaya ka bang ipaglaban. Marahil marami nang nangako sa'yo na hindi ka iiwan pero hindi naman napanindigan. Subalit naniniwala pa rin ako na kapag handa na ulit ang puso mo at buo ka na ulit sa Panginoon, darating ang para sa'yo. Hindi pinilit, pero kusang binigay. Dear, now is the time to give the pen back to God and allow Him to rewrite your stories. No amount of pain and no amount of betrayals can hinder God to rewrite a beautiful story for you. Always choose to pray for a love story that you'll feel proud to tell. A love story born of faith and obedience to God. Maaring naging masaya ka sa mali, pero mas magiging masaya ka sa tama. Don't settle for less and be the right person who rejoices in God's beautiful timing. Mahirap, pero hindi imposible. When God planted a vision in your heart, it's always for a greater purpose. Pansin mo ba na madalas yung mga pangarap natin ay mas malaki kaysa sa laman ng bulsa natin? Parating mas malaki kaysa sa mga kakayahan natin. It is because God wants us to rely mainly on Him. Your dreams can be bigger, but nothing's too hard for God. Nilagay ng Diyos yung pangarap na yan sa puso mo, hindi para gawin mo ng mag-isa. Hindi para gawin sa oras na gusto mo, at hindi para gawin sa paraan na alam mo. It may be planted in your heart, but it is still under His care. Mangyari ang kalooban ng Panginoon. May mga pagkakataon na matatakot kang humakbang. But remember that the step that you are afraid to take might be the step that you need. I may be weak, but God is strong in my life. I may be limited, but He is limitless. Lord, do it in the most impossible way, so I don't have any chance to boast about how great I am, but how faithful you are in my life.
Wow!
Ayan everyone, so before po kaming umuwi ngayon, syempre belhan muna natin si Kuya ng pang-ulam nila para sa kanilang pamilya. And of course guys, ako rin naman ay bibili ng ulam na 1 kilo ng manok na lang po para sa amin doon din sa bahay. At syempre guys, hindi pwedeng kalimutan natin yung pasalubong na tinapay para sa aking mga pamangkin. Thank you so much. So that's all for today's video everyone. Maraming salamat po sa panonood. See you again on our next video. Bye-bye!